What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great like always. Today we're finna make something crazy from scratch like always, so make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way learn the most out of it, you feel me? I got my keyboard right here. We're finna go crazy on it. I don't know what we're finna make, but I bet we're finna make some fire. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? Just hit that subscribe button, bro. You're already here, so might as well stick around. Anyways, let's just dive right into the video. So it's been a minute since I used Kontakt. This is the guitar I'm using, super fire guitar. Like something like that. I just freestyled something over it. I kind of like this last part right here. Let's see what we can make off of that. Okay, so I just rendered out the guitar. Let's add some effects to it. Make sure when you render it out, you get rid of that little tail, and that way it is on tempo, because sometimes it can mess up your sample. What I'm going to do now is add some effects to it. I think I want to go for a WHEEZY / Nick Mira type of style. Maybe we can execute that. Right now we need some sort of pads or keys and bells to accent the main guitar sound. That way we create some atmosphere inside of the beat, because right now it's sounding a little bit plain. Beautiful, beautiful. That is the sound I was looking for. So let's add some reverb to it to make it more ambient. Wow, I just randomly hit this button, fade stereo, I think. It gives some sauce in there, it's sounding nice, just hear the difference. It feels like it's going through my ear, and it sounds nice, to be honest. I think we may need to record the echo of the delay because it's glitching a little bit. So let me just open up Edison and then record and then play. So super easy, super easy. like little things can make the sample sound so much different, and it really works. Like, make sure you pay attention to the little details, you feel me? Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and add one last sound, and then we're going straight into the drum. So let's get it. Wow, that is beautiful. We're really killing this, bruh. We're really killing this. I hope you can follow. I hope you can like work with me, and I'm not going too fast. I really encourage you to like work with me. That will like really learn the most out of this video. Again, if you are learning something from this video, please leave a like or comment. Like, okay, so now that we have the full sample, the full melody, let's just add the drums from here. I think I'm going to speed up the tempo a little bit to maybe like create that wheezy bounce. Right here with the 808, I want like a roll. I think it will sound super fire. Beat is a little bit empty, but we still need to add some percussion to like fill up the beat a little bit more. I open hat, some percussion loops, and a snare. Other than that, like there's a lot of room for a vocal. Like I'm telling you, I'm getting this one placed for sure. So guys, this was a video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know who you hear on this beat. I think personally maybe Gunna, like a really smooth voice and really like smooth vocal over it. But other than that, like I'm active on social media as well, Gunna Beats. Make sure to check that out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.